Alright guys, now I'm back with an unboxing. It is One Piece Season 6 Voyage 3. You have the front, which has Oars, Usopp, Zoro, and Luffy on the front. Big giant moon in the back. Top, bottom. 300 some minutes. Warning, federal stuff, blah blah blah. But there's Oars on the spine. Oars, however you pronounce his name. 12 episodes. The other spine. The back. Letter of Marquis. Let you read that if you want. This one has episodes 361 to 372. Can't wait for the last one, which is the climax of the entire thing. Let's see. There we go. There's that. Now let's open this bad boy. I think this came out yesterday, which I would have got it yesterday, but I was busy playing Sunset Overdrive. By the way, good game. Check on the inside, same thing. Okay, good. Fill me out, blah. Anyway, the front, spine, the back, 361 to 367. Discard, same. 2. 368 to 372. Just in case. They had to update their fucking shit here, but anyway. This is what you get with One Piece Season 6 Voyage 3. Like I say, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video, which will be Death Note. Well, yeah. Anyway, like I say, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.